Okay, the first lesson of geometry and trigonometry unit that we have, chapters 4 and 5 in the Pearson book, is completely review. So we're going to go through it very quickly and make this short and sweet. So we're going to start with distance and midpoint formulas. You should know these already. They're also in the formula book from IB, but we'll go ahead and write those down. In IB, there is a third dimension. They do have z's also with the distance and midpoint formula. We're going to start with 2D though, which is what everyone's already familiar with. And then we have midpoint here. All right. And again, those are in the formula book. I encourage you to look them up and see where to find them. They should be in this section. Yeah, they should be in the geometry and trigonometry section. All right. y1 plus y2 over 2. This is getting messy. So first two problems below, feel free on your own to try those first, and then just check the answers with this video. Skip ahead or feel free to watch. So A, find the distance between each pair of points. B, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining each pair of points. So the first one will be the square root of x2 minus x1, so 8 plus 4 minus negative 4, so 8 plus 4 squared plus negative 1 minus 4 squared, which is the square root of 144 plus 25, which becomes the square root of 169, which is 13. We'll go ahead and do B for this one. Midpoint is going to be, find the average of the x's, 8 plus negative 4 over 2, and average of the y's, which is negative 1 plus 4 over 2. It's annoying, my 4's. All right, and that gives us the midpoint, which is 2 and 3 over 2. Next one. First, we'll look at distance. We have the square root of root 3 minus 3 root 3 squared plus 5 minus 3 squared, which is the square root of negative 2 root 3 squared plus 2 squared. Negative 2 root 3 squared is 4 times 3, or 12. And so that's the square root of 12 times 2, or plus 2 squared, 12 plus 4, which is square root of 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. Great. I'll just highlight the final answers. I think my worked out version on the downloaded notes on the unit planner is prettier than this one. I'm doing this very quickly. And then midpoint. Midpoint is average of the x's and average of the y's. So we have root 3 plus 3 root 3 is 4 root 3 over 2. And 5 plus 3 is 8 over 2. And if we simplify that, we get 2 root 3, 4. All right, and that's done for our first video.